You are going to love the 2022 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, dual power sliding doors, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, power mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.